Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and I'm out and about again to look at used cars in dealership parking lots. And so recently I saw this P71 ex-police cruiser at a Ford dealership, and I said it's in pretty rough shape. Well, now look at this one here, another P71, this time at the Chevy dealership, and it is in a really rough shape. Look at that, everything is kind of bent down. The paint is peeling off. It's definitely not in a good shape. Look at that, the door. Wonder what happened with that. And it looks like it's a customer's vehicle though, the way it sits here. Windshield has sunshade in. Well, I mean, like that's gonna help. But someone loves the vehicle, which is a good thing. So I can tell you this one here is a little bit newer than the other one. I can tell you by the seats. And when I look at the seats and the dash, that's how you identify that. Can also tell you that these lights here give away what year it is, because they have the amber signals here, which the other ones typically didn't have. And this normally is black, and it says Police Interceptor, which this one here says Crown Victoria only on it. So I think this might have been a civilian model that was used as a police cruiser. I'm not sure, but I know some agencies did that. They bought fleets of civilian Crown Vics for their police force, because look at this, you can see where all the equipment was and the antennas. Now one thing is missing though, I don't see a spotlight on it, but I do see an aftermarket console in there, which tells me that this is was a vehicle that was used for police service. So that's how you can tell when you look at them. Interesting find though. I mean, it's not your typical P71, and I don't think it is one. I think it's a civilian one that was used for police service. That's my opinion. Please tell me if I'm wrong. Put it in the comments and let me know. It's interesting. Anyways, there's not much else to say. This is my town car right here. I wish you a wonderful Sunday, and I hope you subscribe and like the video. See you soon.